everyone, welcome back to Elfo Deco. Today we are going to be making an elephant dish with aqua resin. Here is what it turned out to look like. And I made a lot of these elephant dishes with epoxy resin in the past, and my mold has turned slightly matte after many uses. So I figured why not try with aqua resin, because I would need to polish the epoxy ones to get the shiny finish again. And it doesn't really matter if the mold is matte for aqua resin or any eco-friendly resin, because that's the aesthetic of it anyways. And so let's get started. First, I just want to show you the aqua resin kit that I have. I have the larger sizes and they sit on the floor, so I never show them on camera. And I thought about getting the trial size to show, but this is just more worth it. Anyways, this is the liquid and S3 powder that I use. Here is the elephant dish that we are going to be working with. This mold I made myself a long time ago and it's not available anymore. First, we're going to mix our two components, and the mix ratio is 1 part liquid to 3.5 part S3 powder measured in grams. So that's why I have my scale here. You can measure in volume too, and it's different, but I find the scale to be much easier to work with. I don't know how much this mold takes to fill, so I am just pouring extra just in case. I am doing 100 grams of liquid and 350 grams of powder. I first measure out the liquid and then add the powder into it. When I add the powder, I like to mix as I go so the mixture doesn't get super lumpy at the end. I'm not completely done mixing yet, but I am just adding my green to the mixture first. This green is a mix of the Jesmonite green and yellow pigments. I find their green to be a little too blue for my liking, so I added some yellow to even it out. I'm just adding a little bit at a time with a toothpick until I get my desired color. You can also add the pigments to the liquid component when you measure it out if you're just pouring that one color. Once I got the shade that I wanted, I am going to use my hand mixer to fully mix my aqua resin. This helps a lot with the lumps and making sure that my mixture is fully and evenly mixed. I only mix with my hand mixer for about a minute since I have a small amount here. I make sure to go around the bucket and get the sides as well. Now my mixture is fully mixed. It may be a little difficult to tell the differences on camera at first, especially with the tint and the bubbles, but you can tell that it's a lot smoother. Now we're going to bring back our elephant dish mold, and I am using blue tape to clean off any dust and residue in the mold that I don't want on my piece, and then I pour. Now it's an hour and a half later and we're ready to demold. I haven't worked with this elephant dish in a long time, and every time I demold it, I just think the shape is super cute. And this color is stunning. And look at how smooth that surface is. There's a little bit of bubbles in the back, but the front looks super smooth and it feels really smooth. I wish you could touch it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this process, please like and subscribe. If you want an elephant dish for yourself, I'm making them in all colors of the rainbow and they will be available in my Specs and Sew shop. You can find the link in the description, and let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next. I'll see you next time.